In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, exercise 5.1, question number 14. And question we have, if an investment of 10,000 accumulates to $10,875 in 2 years, what two decimals is the annual simple interest rate? So this is a very easy question. Here I is the requirement. We have to find out the interest rate. If we have our principal amount $10,000, SN is $10,875, N and M we have to find out. So see here it says 2 years. We do not have any months, any weeks, so it means M is 1. M is 1, so N is 2 years. This is 2 years. So this is SN. It means it is S2. We have to find out S2. I can write down the formula first. Right, this formula we are using in this lesson. So SN is S2. After 2 years, our investment will be 10,875. Our principal amount is 10,000. We have to find out. Number of years is given to 100 into 1. So we will simplify it. It will be 1 plus 2i divided by 100. And here, okay, we will take this 10,000 to the other side of the equation. So it will be 10,875 divided by 10,000, which is equal to 1 plus 2i divided by 100. So when we divide this, we will get 1.0875 equal to 1 plus 2i divided by 100. In the next step, we will take this one on the left hand side of the equation. It will be -1, which is equal to 2i over 100. So it will be 0.0875, and which is equal to, if you want, you can divide it. 2 divided by 100, we will get 0.02i. But we need only I. We do not want 0.02i. So the easiest way is just you have to divide whatever is multiplying with I. Same operation you have to do on the other side of the equation. These two will cancel. Now we have only I here. So I is equal to 0.0875 divided by 0.02, which is equal to 4.37%. So this is the interest rate. This is the requirement, that your investment will be 10,875 after 2 years if you invest 10,000 today at an interest rate of 4.37%. Practice this problem. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.